So now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and migrate into the properties database. So the properties database is going to be where we keep track of all of our properties, listings, transactions. And I'm actually going to showcase to you another section that we have included called projects. So very similar to the contact database, you can add new properties. What I want to do is I'm going to go to this 1, 2, 3 somewhere in time. Now, these property details are all fictitious, fake data as well. This is my test account, and somewhere in time is a great test property that I've showcased. So inside the properties, you are going to have on the very top all of the property information. And very much like the contacts, you're going to have all of these different tabs. Now, the very first one is owner information, and you can add all of the different owners for a property. You could even send them a single one-off message that's going to include both of them. It's going to have the greeting for them. And then we have our property details that we can start to build out, property locations, tags, important dates, all the way through to these external docs. Now, here's where those external docs that I was talking about a little bit earlier, this one's the actual one that I featured in that training. So that's where that comes from. Lots of power in this.